Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot single sign-on with Okta. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable HubSpot single sign-on with Okta, start by logging in to your Okta admin dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the Applications section. Click on Add Application. Search for HubSpot in the application catalog. Select HubSpot from the search results, then click on Add. Configure the app settings by entering the required information. Assign users to the app by navigating to the Assignments tab. Click on Assign to add users or groups who require access. Next, open the Sign-On tab to review the sign-on settings. Here, locate the SAML 2.0 section and click on Edit. Input the necessary SAML settings provided by HubSpot. You will need the single sign-on URL, audience URI, and default relay state. Retrieve these settings from your HubSpot account. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the settings. In the settings, go to Users and Teams and select Single Sign-On. Enable the SSO option and paste the SAML settings from Okta. Save your changes in HubSpot. Return to your Okta application settings to finalize the configuration. Test the SSO setup by attempting to log into HubSpot using Okta credentials. Ensure that the users can successfully authenticate through Okta. If any issues arise, review the SAML settings in both platforms. With these steps completed, HubSpot single sign-on should now be successfully enabled with Okta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.